Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. Well, in today's video guys, I'm gonna give you a good news. I think many of you guys would already know about it, but yeah, yesterday only Redbubble tweeted on Twitter and stating that the mass account suspension about that. So yeah, that was that recently we identified an error that inadvertently suspended several user accounts. We apologize for the frustration this has caused and are currently investigating the issue and working towards a swift solution. Thank you for your patience while we look into this matter. So Redbubble finally responded to the mass account suspension that was happened almost a week, and many people were commenting about it. Many people were quite sad about it and were waiting for a response from the Redbubble, and finally Redbubble gave a response to everyone by their Twitter account by tweeting on them. And this is really a big relief for many of you guys that there was some system glitch, there was some error in the system that caused this massive suspension of several accounts. So that was due to that. So they are working on their system and trying to solving the matter. And if you just go through that, their Redbubble account or Redbubble Twitter account, if you go to there, you'll just gotta see the first tweet. The first tweet they have on their account is this tweet only, which they tweeted on 3rd February, which is really a big relief. And yeah guys, I already talked about these account suspension and all that, and I was like waiting for this update from the Redbubble to get here back, to respond back, to reply back about these account suspension and how they're gonna get their account back. And I was like kind of waiting for that, and then one of the people on my last video about the mass account suspension commented on my video saying that Redbubble has tweeted on the Twitter and the issue is almost about to solve. So I just log on to the Twitter account of mine and just go to the Redbubble to actually see that tweet which Redbubble has tweeted on the 3rd February, to just go through that tweet and to see that what's there. So I see that it seems like it's kind of like some kind of a system error, but we'll get but they'll just gonna work on this issue and try to resolve the issue. And they said that several user accounts, but I guess there would be a couple thousands of the users' account has been suspended because there was big flooding of the comments in the YouTube videos and also in the Facebook groups and all that. So I hope that there would be the couple thousands, not several user accounts, but hopefully they have replied back. That's really awesome. But I still don't know that everyone whose account has been banned will be getting their account back. I really am not sure about it, that everyone whose account has been banned will be getting it back. But yeah, that several account has been banned because of their system failure or something like that happened in their error, and they're working on that. So I want to tell you guys, this is really awesome for those of you guys waiting for a Redbubble to respond back. This is really awesome. Now you know that you have to wait until they resolve this issue and you get your account back, and you can start making your print-on-demand designs and uploading on the Redbubble once again. But I would say that maybe wait for a week until you get your account back, and if you get back, then it's good. But if you didn't, then just wait for a week and then see when the whole issue get resolved or something like that, and then start uploading, because they are still working on their system, they're still working on their website. So it might take a few days or maybe a week. So wait till then and then start uploading. Give it a little bit of the time, because it was a big issue. It was really a big issue. And so they'll just take might be a couple of days or a week to resolve complete issue of this. So I would say that wait for a week until you upload a new design on your shop and see your account getting back. So let me know in the comment section below guys, if you can log into your account or not. Did you get your account back or not, or what is the thing it's going right now? Let me know in the comment section below about their tweet, what you're thinking right now, and what's your decision about going through your own print-on-demand business, about the Redbubble and all that, because I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below guys. And I told you in my previous video that I'm gonna update you guys when I'm gonna get the update from the Redbubble about this issue, or anyone commenting on my video and I came to this thing. I'm gonna update you in the next upcoming video. So I'll inform you guys about this recent update from the Redbubble, from the Twitter account. They tweeted it back, which is really good, which is really worth relieving, which is really relieving for every one of us that they have replied us back, and this issue will going to solve soon, which is really awesome. So let me know in the comment section below, guys, what do you think about this and what's your strategy now? How are you going to take the Redbubble from future onwards? Whether you're just going to focus on Redbubble only, or you're just going to branch out your print-on-demand business on other platform as well, start uploading your own designs to other platform along with the Redbubble, so that if something else happen, you are in good shape and you are not that much feeling bad about it as it happened in this week or so. So let me know in the comment section below, guys, what do you think about it and what you're thinking next. Like, what is your strategy with the Redbubble? Like, you're gonna take it really seriously, or you're just gonna branch your designs to other print-on-demand shop as well along with the Redbubble? Because you see that this thing has happened and they had told you that it was due to system failure, and let's see how does everyone get their account back, or only few people got it back. So that is still in question mark, because we don't know that they'll just gonna give everyone account back, or they're just gonna give a few users only, because they didn't really clear that thing in their tweet. So it's still in a question. So we'll just see what happened next, and whether all people get it back or only few people get it. And if you see anything like that, please do inform me in the comment section below of my video, so that I'll get informed about it, and I'll just gonna update you guys more about it in the future upcoming videos if I get any more information related to this particular topic, because I want to help you guys. So that's why if I got any more updates related to this particular thing, I'm gonna update you in the future upcoming videos. And guys, they haven't talked about when they're gonna resolve it, like maybe take a week or maybe more than that. It will going to take this issue to resolve, because it was a big issue for many of us, because there was a couple thousand of the accounts were suspended. So it might take a week or maybe more than that, and we're just gonna wait to hear from them back again that this problem has completely resolved and all that. So I'm just gonna wait for maybe a couple of weeks or maybe a week to see that everything get resolved, and people are getting their account back and they are start uploading onto the Redbubble and all that. So just all you guys hang on to this print-on-demand journey, and hope so you'll be getting your account back. And if you got it back, that's really amazing. If you haven't, then you'll be getting it soon, and we are so happy about this recent update, and it's really a good news for all the Redbubble sellers whose account has been suspended, because I was also thinking that what we need to do next and how to proceed with that, so that it help other people, and waiting for the reply from the Redbubble and all that. But it's really awesome. They replied on their Twitter, and they tweet that, and they pin that tweet comment so that everyone see that, so that everyone would be aware of that, and they feel happy about it, that it was a system failure, and they're gonna resolve it, they're gonna work on it and all that. So which is really awesome, guys. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you are happy right now, that after getting a reply from the Redbubble, you are happy, I hope. And that's all I wanted for you guys, because I was also hoping that you guys all get your account back, which is really awesome for you and for me as well, to see other people happy, to see the people who are watching my videos happy and they are getting their account back, which is really awesome. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comment section below. That's it for today's video, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.